Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device to recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that, well, you might not know the PIN, pattern, password to. So let me quickly lock the device, and you can see I do have a pattern set, and I'm gonna progress from here as though I don't know the pattern. So to get started, let's power off our device, holding power key, selecting power off, we'll do that trick. And when the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time, and you're gonna hold them till you see the UMIDIGI logo on the screen, at which point simply let go of the keys. So power key, volume up. There we go. So there's the logo, let go. Now next thing we should see is the Android with no command at any moment. There we go. So when you see this, what you want to do is hold power key and then press power key up, or not power key but volume up, and this will get us to recovery mode. And in here, unfortunately, touchscreen doesn't actually work, so we will need to use volume keys to navigate in order to select wipe data factory reset. And once that is actually selected, press power key to confirm it. And again, let's select yes, and the process begins. Now you can see it at the bottom, and last thing we should see is data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default as it is right now. So once that is visible like this, simply press power key again, and this will confirm the reboot, which will also continue the reset of the device in the background. So the device will be turning on for a little bit longer than it normally does, but once the process is actually fully complete, we'll be then presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.